Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with a really quick video of an unboxing. I got this in the mail a little while ago, but this is the first chance I've had to really do the video, and I wanted to do a video so badly. It's from one of my favorite artists, Damyanah. She is a ceramic artist, and I'll leave a link to her social media and her information below. But she had a new release a couple months ago. I think I bought these in April. And it was strawberries. She made strawberry stuff, so I bought I'm crazy. I bought so much because I was just enamored with the strawberries. So I'm going to show you all the strawberries first. All right, so here's the heart. Sorry if my nails are dirty. I wash my hands about 600 times a day, but I touch my face a lot and I have makeup on today. So this is so cute. Look at this little pair of hearts. These are probably for earrings. I probably won't use them for that, but I don't know what I'm going to use them for. Cute little lentil beads. This is the signature Golem and Damyanah style, this lentil bead, and it's just so cute. I love the little dots. And then two matching pink beads. I think I ended up getting a lot of these lentils because they were in sets. So then the next set was another pair of the lentils. And she hand draws every single berry, every single dot. That is so cool. And then this pretty pendant. I love it. So cute. And then the last set of strawberry stuff was more of the lentils. I told you I was obsessed. Look at them. Those are going to last me so long. And then this beautiful red berry color in the lentil with just black polka dots. I want more of these because these are so fun. And then two more pendants, but they're round. So beautiful. I love this whole set. Makes me so happy. And then this said giveaway too. So I remember entering a giveaway and I must have won that one. I didn't see it in the post. So thank you so much, Damyanah. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. It's pretty little muted flowers and leaves. Such a cool color combo. And then two little lentils to go with that. They're gorgeous. They've got leaves and the flowers on them. Love those. And then I purchased this one. I think when I was in Tucson, I was looking for this pendant and I couldn't find it on the table, and she had sold it to my friend Deb. I found out later after we had gone home from Tucson. And so I ordered it for the sale or for the show she was having on Facebook. And then this one also came with two lentils and then two orange rounds. These lentils are pale pink, but they have a little pale purple or different pink dots as well as the black dots. So thought those were really neat. And then last but not least, she had chickens. This is what she calls her chickens. And I love the green with the red, yellow, and orange. I just thought it was so fun. So I got the pendant and two lentils with chickens on them. I just love them so much. And now that I'm looking at this, one goes sideways, which is awesome, and then one goes up and down, which is really cool too, because if I wanted to make a pendant up and down where the hole is, I could use that, or if I wanted to use this one on a bracelet, I could do that. And then even if they were on a necklace, I wouldn't mind that they were different. So that's pretty cool. And then two darker gray brown smaller lentils. So like I said, I got a lot, and I'm it's like a dragon with her hoard. I love these. They're collector's items to me, even though I'm gonna make jewelry eventually with them. They're probably gonna be hoarded for a little while. So my favorite things, obviously the strawberries. The strawberry lentils are my favorite, and this chicken pendant is my favorite too, but it makes me so happy. Everything makes me so happy. Thank you to Damyanah. Check out her stuff online, and I will put all the links that you need in the description below. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, I just uncovered you for a video, and then I'm going to cover you back up. She's not very happy about it. Hello. Hi, cutie. Hi. She hates the camera. We love you, Goldie. Yes, we do.